Let's talk about something painfully real. Making friends as an adult when you're secretly a human cactus. You know, the kind of person who laughs too loud at bad jokes or accidentally texts, "love you," to a coworker. Been there. But after years of trial and error and so many ghosted group chats, here's what actually works. No pep talks or weird tricks. Step 1. Stop trying to be interesting. Here's the thing. Nobody cares if you're cool. Seriously, the faster you ditch the pressure to impress, the easier it gets. Just show up. Ask questions. Not a lot. People love talking about themselves, and you get a chill. Win-win. Step 2. Go where the humans are, but like your kind of humans. If you hate clubs, don't go to clubs. If you love libraries, lurk there. Friendships stick when they're built on stuff you already care about. Book clubs, hiking groups, literally anything where you can bond over shared panic about forgetting sunscreen. Step 3. Master the vibe check conversation. Small talk is the worst, so cheat. Instead of "what do you do?" try, "what's something you're weirdly good at? What's your guilty pleasure snack?" Suddenly, you're not strangers. You're two people debating if ketchup belongs on pizza. Step 4. Be the one who reaches out first. Yeah, it's terrifying, but everyone's waiting for someone else to make the move. Send that, "hey, wanna grab coffee?" text. Worst case, they're busy. Best case, you get a buddy who also hates kale smoothies. Step 5. Let it be awkward. Silences happen. Jokes flop. You'll forget their name and have to sneak a glance at their Instagram later. It's fine. Awkwardness is just proof you're both trying. Lean into it. Laugh at yourself. Bond over the mutual chaos of being alive. Step 6. Consistency, grand gestures. Friendships aren't built in one hangout. They're built in random. This meme made me think of you texts, showing up to their weird art show, or just remembering they hate cilantro. Little things matter more than big plans. Look, making friends as an adult isn't about being smooth. It's about being stubborn. Keep showing up. Keep being your weird self. And if someone ghosts you, they're a loss. You're a snack. Literally, bring cookies next time. Drop a comment if you've ever panicked and called someone the wrong name.